All right, I'm the flat rate master, and obviously a little different setting for me. My Wednesday video that I filmed got interrupted a bunch of times, and well, it kind of sucks. So decided I needed to do a reshoot. So figured I'd do it on the back porch, have a cigar while I'm doing it. So every now and then I'll see negative posts about the name of the channel, Flat Rate Master. And, you know, people claiming I'm like the, best flat rate tech on the planet. I don't claim to be. The whole reason for the name was two things. It denoted the flat rate pay system, which my channel was focusing on, and nobody had ever done a channel with that name nor the Gmail address, so both were available. So I took it, and it flows well, Flat Rate Master. So that's the whole reason for the name. Do I think I'm the best technician on the planet? No. Don't even claim to be. But I figured you guys would like a little insight into the channel and why I created it. The genesis behind the channel was there was other YouTubers, Eric the Car Guy on his ETCG1 channel, where he talks about stuff, and the Humble Mechanic, where they go into a little bit of the auto repair industry, but their channels are more focused towards the do-it-yourselfer. And nobody was talking about the issues that technicians face, especially in life skills. I thought that it'd be a good thing for a channel to help young technicians out in the world. So that's why I started the channel. When it comes down to it, it is a life skills channel. I talk about how to survive in the world of flat rate. And nobody else really had a channel focused on it. So that's why the name came about, and why the focus of the channel is what it is to help young technicians grow in the world of a flat rate pay system. Just a little background, while I was filming, my Monday video got messed up because everybody and their brother decided to drop off cars when I started filming, and apparently I missed a whole lot of B footage because I didn't hit the stupid button. And in the middle of filming my Friday video, the boss pulls up at my bay, and we had to go over some stuff on a car that has been giving us headaches. So I'm not driving back to the shop to shoot a video, so you get my back porch. So hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. I'm going to sit here and enjoy this Monte Cristo number 4 with about 6 years of age on it. Have a good one.